So that was XSS. XSS stands for cross-site scripting. There are different ways of finding XSS, including reflected, stored, and DOM XSS, which we covered in our entire chapter for this one. And then we're going to talk about how to look for it. Again, when you're looking for cross-site scripting, my advice to you is to put in an HTML tag first, looking into the source of the application and making sure that you can find the text or the HTML tags that you've put into the application, and then seeing the context of where your text is going to. So if you're in a script tag, the approach is different versus being in a title or a hidden input field. So you want to make sure you look for that HTML thing that you've put in there. So example, I always do a underline, opening tag, U, closing tag, test123. I open up the web source, I go through the Google DOM network tab or the inspector tab, and I'll look for test123 and see for every single place that test123 has shown up, and then try to exploit it depending on where it shows up. And using XSS, what you can do is you can steal cookies, you can change email addresses, you can change passwords, and whatever else. You can also steal a CSRF token if there is CSRF implementations on there to make sure you can successfully edit the content of someone's account. And when it comes down to stealing cookies or a session, you can always send that to your server, copy paste the cookie value into your browser, and log in as that user. This may not happen every single time because of the application, how they have written it, and what measures or what security measures they have in place, but there's always a possibility of having that session cookie stored on your server and sending it to yourself to log in as that user.